this is the miracle box with all the miraculous. If you want to see how I made it, then make sure to watch the video right ahead. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be making the miracle box from Miraculous Ladybug. So I will be showing you guys how to make a DIY mini miracle box. Since this is not like the big one, so this is like the mini one. We still have all the things prepared. So before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and you know what. So let's get into this video. Alright, so here's the miracle box. Also, you can get this box on Amazon. I'll display it over here, somewhere in the video, on the screen, whatever. And then, yeah, you can color it with a marker, which I did, or you can paint it with black paint. And just leave this inside part. I printed this out and put this in the middle. Or if you don't have a printer, you could just draw it on. Like look at the picture and draw it on. But I also colored the sides, shaded it in, and voila. You can leave the back because, I mean, who wants to see it? Anyways, yeah, this is how I made the miracle box. And I also made some cutouts. If you could get some blank sheets of paper, cut them out so they could fit the inside of the miracle box like I did. Make sure you size it or get someone to help you and color it in. And yeah, I kind of printed this one though, but whatever. So to gut up, you need these to, like, you know, get cotton and tissue papers. So let's start with the middle part, which is basically where this one goes. Actually, like, fill it up. So let's start with the middle part. Make sure you size it in with that, and voila. Now let's do this quickly. Glue one in for my Yura, and then for Hawkmoth, we're gonna put this in for him. And then this slot is just an extra slot because they gave me extra slots here. So this is just an extra slot. Okay. Now let's put the rest of these in. Fast forward. This is where the rouge one goes. I think this is where the queen bee goes. I think I got them mixed up, but whatever. Care paste. Okay, so this is the finished product. You can also size it. I didn't do it too good, but yeah, you can still size it a little bit so you can make it look good. Now let's get on with the miraculous. Alright, so let's fill in the miraculouses. So there's earrings, the cat noir rings. I have 3 of these for some reason. Carapace, and we have Rouge's necklace, Carapace bracelet, yeah. Queen bee's thingy, and the clips you put on, well, your outfit, I guess. Okay, so let's start on with the miraculous. So we have the ladybug earrings. Oh, sorry. The ladybug earrings. And then we have the cat noir rings. I have 3 of these actually, but I'll just show you one. That's what I put the extra slot for. And then we have Queen Bee's clip, or comb, as she called it. And then we have Rena Rouge's necklace. Wait. Also, this is made out of paper. You could stick it to any chain necklace. And also put some cardboard here. Yeah. And then we have Carapace's bracelet, which is a bit too big, but you can use like a small hair tie to do this. Make sure to have the cardboard. And then the last 2 evil one, Hawkmoth's little pin. It's very small when I ordered it, but yeah. And then we have my Miraculous clip, or whatever it is. I added cardboard to the one. And yeah, that's all the Miraculouses. So let's start putting them in the Miracle Box. Alright, so first let's put the middle parts in. So I'm going to put this one in here, and then the extra one in the extra slot. Cat Noah's ring. I'm going to put Ladybug's earring in the Ladybug slot. And then Queen Bee's comb clip. Right there. And then Carapace's bracelet, which I can tie it up like that and put it in. Yep. And Hawkmoth's clip and my Uriel's clip. Oh, it's just falling out of my hand. And then last but not least, the Ring of Rouge necklace or pendant, but I think it's a necklace actually. So yeah, this is the complete look of the Miracle Box. This is also a mini Miracle Box with mini Miraculouses. So yeah. Can close it as well. And it looks amazing, doesn't it? Go in the comments down below and comment which Miraculous you would take. Let's quickly try these Miraculous. Okay, so we're gonna try on the Miraculouses. Remember to comment down which one you would choose. Alright, let's start with the ring. So this is I put it upside down. So this is Cat Noir's ring, and honestly, it's just like Cat Noir's ring, like the real one. Now let's try Ladybug's earrings, but I'm just gonna pretend they're on because I already have earrings on. Since I already have the earrings on, I'm just going to pretend I have them on. But they look very pretty and real. That's pretty nice. Now let's try Queen Bee's clip comb. It's supposed to put in like, there's a piece of clay stuck in there, I just realized that. But that's okay. I'm Queen Bee. Bugs one. Okay, that was Queen Bee's comb, and it actually looks very pretty. Looks like it's made out of real gold, but it's not. This little bee, as usual, very goldy. Moldy moldy. Now let's try Carapace's bracelet, which I tried when I was showing you guys it, and it's too big for me, but it's okay. You just get like these little holes, you print it out, color it, and you leave these little holes, you poke a hole in them and get the tie. You can knot it like this. And you also can put some other thin layers of something at the back to keep it still. And yeah, if it's, make sure to do a small tie that is like the width of your hand, so that way it doesn't be too big or too small. Yeah, and if it's too big, I always like fold it up and put it in. It's way easier. Now let's try Hawkmoth's thingy. Oh, joke around, but yeah, whatever. So you're supposed to. Okay, I did it. Alright, it looks it's very small. It's just very small, but I still like it. It's very realistic. Very silver wearing. It's pretty nice. I mean, it doesn't poke you because there's a little thing. And, I mean, it pokes a hole through your shirt, but not a big one. Yeah, it's pretty cute. This is so cute and small. It's like very small. I expected it to be a little bigger, but still. Next is my euros. Now, it's like, there's not a thing to like put it on, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, this is not realistic. I made this myself, so it's not too good, but yeah. But I didn't do the cutting. It looks okay though, right? Right? I mean, if you get some glue and put it on, then it'll probably ruin your shirt. Okay, the last but not least, which I've said 2 times already, is the necklace. Now you have to be very careful because when you're using cardboard and like paper with it, it might fall off. So be very careful when you're doing this. Perfect. And I got a printout of it and like I cut it out. Well, I didn't do the cutting, but whatever. I put some cardboard here too. I sticked on the cardboard. And I put in, Someone put this chain on it for me, which is my mom. And yo, it looks great. Honestly, it's just a normal necklace, but it might fall off soon. It's kind of weird because I'm wearing a choker already, but whatever. I'm being very careful because I want it to not break off. And yeah, this is the Miracle Box, guys. I'm really proud of myself. And yeah, I'll list all the things. I'll list, if you want to go to Amazon and buy some of these things that I bought from Amazon, then I'll link it in the description. You can go check it out and buy it for yourself and make this as well. And we can be twins. So yeah, this is the mini Miracle Box and it looks amazing. I'm very proud of myself. And I'm pretty sure you guys will be able to make this too. And be proud of yourself. Anyways, let's go to the outro. Before we get into the outro, make sure to comment down below which Miraculous you would pick. I think I'd pick Rena Rouge because she's my favorite character. Or maybe Candleworm. Or maybe Ladybug. No, not Ladybug. Okay. Well, anyways guys, that was it for today. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment which Miraculous you would pick.